Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by treating bias as a measurable system problem. First, gather representative data and document where underrepresentation or skew exists. This gives you a baseline to measure. Once done, set one precise fairness objective and the metric you will use to track progress. Make sure to fix straightforward data quality problems, duplicates, errors, and mislabeled examples because they will confound later fixes. You are starting action now. Measure, define, and clean so every subsequent step has a reliable foundation. You now apply a focused mitigation method tied to your objective. If imbalance is data-driven, use preprocessing like reweighting or targeted augmentation. If model logic causes bias, use entraining constraints or fairness-aware loss functions. Once model outputs show improvement, use post-processing only if necessary to adjust decision thresholds for subgroups. Make sure to evaluate on an untouched holdout and compute subgroup metrics. This tells you whether changes generalize. Keep iterating between method, metric, and validation until results stabilize. You finish by operationalizing fairness. Deploy with automated monitoring for both accuracy and your fairness metric so deviations trigger alerts. Once done, schedule periodic audits and log remediation steps and rationale to maintain accountability. If bias reappears in production, act quickly, roll back problematic updates, analyze the new data shift, and repeat the targeted mitigation loop with updated measurements. The one way that works long-term is measurement, targeted fix, and continuous monitoring. That cycle prevents old biases from returning.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.